Hello, Harston. That's 2020 over at long last. Time to start looking to the future. So, I haven't been in a physical classroom since February, and with the schedule for the vaccinations, it seems likely that I won't be back in a physical classroom until the autumn. So it's time for me to build up my online practice a little more. And so I'm looking for new students to start in January. If you're coming to me for one-on-one lessons, I'll be charging £20 an hour. Now, if you want to join a group class, at the moment I don't have any scheduled, and there's a reason for that. During 2020, I often found myself having conversations with friends and family, whether out for a walk or online, in which neither of us could really think of anything to say because very little has happened. And so I've been trying to find ways to spend time with my friends and family doing activities online to get that social interaction without finding ourselves in that are you still working from home sort of mode. So that's what I want to offer as a service to you guys. Rather than me setting a schedule and you coming individually, I thought I would put the offer out there that you guys get together as a group, and you and some friends who all want to learn Gaelic come to me, and that gives you a weekly activity to do together, and you can spend time with each other online without any of that awkwardness. So the prices for that will depend on how many of you there are. So it's on a sort of sliding scale, so that the more of you that come, the cheaper it will be for each of you. Starting at £30 per hour if there's 2 of you, down to 36 if there's 3, 40 if there's 4, and if there's more, speak to me. And again, it will be on a sliding scale, so it will get cheaper and cheaper the more of you that come. Now, these prices are valid for anyone signing up till the end of January. I will be reviewing my prices at the start of February. I don't know yet what they'll be, but certainly if you sign up, you have my guarantee that I will not raise the prices for you for at least 3 months. So you will get that warning if you're already studying with me. I won't change the prices on you. Now, if you study with me, what can you expect? Well, as a non-native speaker, I prefer to teach people who are beginners, intermediate, upper intermediate. I feel it's more appropriate for people who are at an advanced level to spend their time working with a native. But my whole goal is to get you speaking as soon as possible and get you choosing your own words wherever you can. I don't want my students to be parrots who can say, "Hello, my name is Niall, how are you?" and then not take the conversation any further. I will teach you those sorts of phrases, but I'll teach you them because I'm teaching you the way they're constructed. You'll know what they mean, so you'll be able to use them. Now, if you are a false beginner, that is someone who has taken classes in the past but still doesn't feel you can actually talk, well then really please do come and speak to me, because that's what I want to do. I want to get people spitting it out. And if you've already got that knowledge from studying, well, I can use that and I can bring that out and get you speaking. If you want to speak to me, no obligation, you can have a chat. We can set something up on Skype or Zoom to discuss your needs. And if you take one lesson and then decide it's not for you, that's fine. We can set that up, and there's no obligation at the start to sign up for a full course. But if you do want to speak to me, you can drop me an email, neil@lingua.guru, or contact me via my Facebook page, Gurgunnock Gaelic. So I hope to hear from some of you soon. If you are not interested in making your own group offer, but would be interested in group classes, then please do feel free to get in contact. If I haven't had a lot of people taking me up on the offer by the middle of January, I will start looking at scheduling classes starting in February or March. But for now, cheery and drasta.